Join me as I challenge myself to install wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in my car and see if it really changes the way I drive. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto have revolutionized the way we interact with our vehicles. At their core, they're designed to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with your car's infotainment system. This means you can access your favorite apps, make calls, and navigate with ease, all while keeping your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Many of us have experienced the frustration of traditional wired connections. Tangling cables are a constant nuisance, and it's all too easy to damage them over time. Limited mobility is another issue. Have you ever struggled to find a place to plug in your phone while driving? You're not alone. And then there are compatibility issues. Some phones just don't play nice with certain car systems. We've all been there, trying to connect our phone to the car system, only to be met with error messages and failed connections. The stress of dealing with cables and compatibility issues takes away from what should be an enjoyable driving experience. Not to mention, having cords strewn about your car's interior isn't exactly the most aesthetic look. The lack of freedom to move around while driving can be distracting. When you're fiddling with cords, you're taking your attention away from the road. And let's not forget about the wear and tear on your cables and ports. It's only a matter of time before something breaks. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are here to change the game. With wireless connectivity, you can enjoy an effortless connection between your phone and car system. No more fussing with cables or dealing with finicky connections. It's incredibly convenient and user-friendly. These systems are designed to integrate smoothly with a wide range of vehicle models. Whether you're driving a brand new car or a trusty old ride, there's a good chance you can enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Setting them up is surprisingly straightforward, and once you're up and running, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Using wireless CarPlay and Android Auto is remarkably easy. You simply pair your phone with your car's system, and you're good to go. You can access your favorite music, podcasts, and apps directly from your car's screen. Voice commands make it even simpler to control everything without taking your hands off the wheel. Imagine cruising down the highway, your phone seamlessly connected to your car's system. You can effortlessly switch between navigation, music, and calls, all with simple voice commands or taps on your car screen. It's incredibly freeing and makes the driving experience much more enjoyable. Let's paint a picture. You're on a road trip, and you need to find a specific restaurant. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can use voice commands to navigate to your destination without taking your hands off the wheel. It's not only convenient but also much safer. In another scenario, you're driving with friends, and they want to listen to their favorite song. With wireless connectivity, they can easily switch to their preferred music streaming app and start playing their song, all without the hassle of cables. The transformation to wireless connectivity isn't just about convenience, it's also about safety. With fewer distractions and no cables to fiddle with, you can focus more on the road and less on your phone. To wrap things up, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto offer a taste of freedom we never thought possible while driving. By cutting the cord and embracing wireless technology, you can make your driving experience more enjoyable, safer, and connected. If you've had any experiences with CarPlay and Android Auto, whether wired or wireless, I'd love to hear about them. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in more automotive tech insights, be sure to check out my other videos. 2024 newest wireless portable CarPlay and Android Auto, CarPlay screen for car with mirror link /O/FM, 7 CarPlay screen with detachable sunshade and 1080p backup camera for all vehicles. Brand AUX. Media type digital media streaming. Color black. Screen size 7 inches. Display type LCD. Wireless CarPlay /Android Auto. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity for seamless integration. Just the same time connect your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The portable CarPlay with Bluetooth you can wirelessly handle navigation, music, make and receive calls and more. And it can be connected with a 1080p backup camera, making your reversing safer and more convenient. Father's Day gifts. Car emoji, Siri/Google Assistant voice control. The CarPlay can be controlled through Siri/Google Voice Assistant. No need to touch the screen if you want to answer the phone, play music and read message, and you just say the command. What's more, the CarPlay screen built-in stereo speakers allows you to enjoy a superior music listening experience. Car emoji, support USB/external mic/TF card for playing audio and video. Compared to other CarPlay device, AUX CarPlay screen has a USB interface that supports USB charging and put-in disc. It also has an external microphone interface for clearer communication with friends. Additionally, it supports TF card playback of music and videos. Each interface enhances the functionality of the device. Car emoji, mirror link function and HD touchscreen. The touchscreen CarPlay compatible with almost all of iOS phones. Wireless mirror link and Android Auto link only support wired function. Portable car stereo. Use the USB connection to sync your smartphone to the big screen in CarPlay. Enjoy the full features such as movies, music and more. Includes sunshade to avoid glare while driving. Car emoji, Bluetooth 5.0 to 3 ways audio output. Upgraded audio output options allow you to directly connect to your device's Bluetooth for a device audio experience. And there are 3 other audio output methods available. 1. Connect. Simply plug the included audio cable into your car's aux port to get audio through your car speaker. 2. FM transmission. Tune into an empty radio channel to get sound through your car speaker. 3. Built-in speaker. The device itself features an integrated stereo speaker. HD adjustable waterproof backup camera. The car radio is equipped with 2.5mm rear camera for Aqua car stereo, waterproof HD backup camera with night vision, 170 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle, supporting HD color night vision. Lets you no longer worry about reversing safety, and display the image automatically when the vehicle shifts into reverse, working as a parking assistant. Car emoji, customizable boot logo. We provide customizable boot logo service. You can send us the picture you want to see when you boot, and we will customize a boot logo for you. We can use any picture you like customized, and provide perfect after-sales service, 3-month refund, 1-year warranty, 24 hours online to solve any problems you encounter. Upgraded convenience with attention to detail. Portable CarPlay for car. Built-in speaker. The car stereo with Apple CarPlay local horn with the stereo sound instead of mono. You can use built-in speaker. Portable CarPlay for car. Day and night compatible. Portable Apple CarPlay has different brightness adjustments, adapted to day and night brightness, and automatic mode. Portable CarPlay for car. TF card playback support. This multifunctional car stereo supports the insertion of a TF card to play music and videos you have stored in it. Portable CarPlay for car. Multimedia player. Enjoy playing local videos or music on a 7-inch HD screen via a TF card, providing a high-quality entertainment experience on the go. 1. The 2024 wireless portable CarPlay and Android Auto device offers seamless integration with smartphones via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, enabling navigation, music, calls, and connection to a 1080p backup camera for safer reversing. 2. It features voice control through Siri or Google Assistant, allowing hands-free operation for calls, music, and messages, and includes built-in stereo speakers for enhanced audio experience. 3. The device supports USB charging, external microphone interface for clearer communication, and TF card playback for music and videos, enhancing its functionality. 4. The HD touchscreen supports wireless mirror link for iOS and wired auto link for Android, allowing smartphone synchronization for movies and music, and includes a sunshade to reduce glare. 5. Bluetooth 5.0 offers 3 audio output options: O connection, FM transmission, and built-in stereo speaker, providing versatile audio experiences. 6. The HD adjustable waterproof backup camera features night vision and a 170 degrees viewing angle, automatically displaying images when reversing, serving as a parking assistant. 7. Customizable boot logo service is available, with options for personalized images, and includes a 3-month refund, 1-year warranty, and 24-hour online support. 8. The device is equipped with a built-in speaker, adjustable brightness for day and night compatibility, and supports TF card playback for multimedia entertainment on a 7-inch HD screen.